It is AC season, it's getting warm. What to do when your car is dripping water? That's always the question. Is the radiator leaking or is it just the AC water? Let's kind of talk about the two differences. So this car right now has AC water dripping from the condenser box, and it's actually running almost to the side of the car from the middle right now. It's got a nice long trail of AC water just coming right out from the car. That's good. We want AC. If you want the AC to work, you want lots of water dripping out of the car. Now, what happens a lot of times is people think that the coolant bottle might be the same as the coolant to cool the inside of the car when the AC's on, but the two things are completely different. The coolant bottle or the antifreeze bottle is for the engine only. It does not drip out normally like how the AC drips normally. So the AC is okay to drip. The coolant is not okay to drip. Two totally different systems. Usually there's a dye color in the coolant. Like for example, this one's pink. It's like a pink purple. That's very normal. The AC dripping is just water. It's condensing water. So it's just straight water. If you touch it, it feels like water. Don't taste it. Because it's warm out and we're gonna do an AC service, this is the low side pressure hose. You can see it's actually got water on it and it is very cold to the touch. We're gonna verify that when we do a service. It's actually trying to freeze. And then inside the car, we're gonna have our vent temperature control check. For AC vent temperature, we're looking for anywhere around 40 degrees, plus or minus 5 degrees. Once you go above 47 degrees, we can really get it cooler, especially in this area. So in our geographic Southern California by the beach, we should be able to at least hit 47 or below. A lot of times we'll be able to hit 35 degrees. So the colder the better, right? Keeps everybody cool on the inside. So that's what we're shooting for, just 40, just average. That's what we're going for. We're gonna do an AC vent temperature check. We're gonna make sure that it's dripping water outside the car. That's another thing. Sometimes the drain gets clogged, it backs up to the inside of the car, and then the passenger floorboard will get wet or the driver's floorboard will get wet. Then it gets mildew carpet, all kinds of other stuff. You want to see water dripping outside the car. Actually, it has to drip outside the car. And then we're going to make sure that that low side hose is cold to the touch. Once we have all that stuff, our AC system's working perfect. The compressor's working, the condenser's working, the evaporator's working. Everything is working. Is your AC cold or not? Call us.